To set your Galaxy Buds Live that's connected to your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to read the message full content aloud, you have to enable read aloud full content for the messages in the Galaxy Buds Live setting. To do so, while you are wearing your Galaxy Buds Live, go to the app screen, find the wearable app. To find the app quickly, tap the search bar at the top of the screen, type the app name, and then tap the app to open it. If this app doesn't display your Galaxy Buds Live, tap the three horizontal line icon, and then select your Galaxy Buds Live. Tap earbud setting, and then tap read notification aloud. Tap messages. If this menu is still off, tap the gray on off switch next to read notification aloud until the switch turns blue to turn it on. And then select read aloud full content. With this setting, when you receive a new message while you are wearing your Galaxy Buds Live, it will read the sender and the content of the message aloud. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.